What's up YouTube, it's your girl Brandy Giz, and I'm back on your screen showing you some items that I had hauled from Sephora. Okay, so let's get started. I have to go pick up my son, but I just wanted to share with you all what I picked up at the Sephora VIB sale, and I received 15% off. I'm not VIB Rouge, but it's okay, got a little discount. So I'm going to show you what I decided to get. The first item that I'm going to share with you all from Sephora is this milk. I've been hearing a lot of great things about this. I've been using it for about 3 days now, and so far I like it. It is hydrating. That's one thing I can say. I kind of like the package. It's see-through. You can see the product that you use, how much. This is a, let's see, what did I get? I picked up the 1 point something fluid ounce. I'm not even sure. Actually, this is a 1.52 fluid ounce of product, and I was thinking about getting the smaller version of this. It was the $15 one, but I don't want to kick myself in the butt if I ended up liking it and missed out on that sale. So I got the bigger one, and so far it's so good. And I do want to let you all know that I do have to blot. So I mean, this isn't a primer that you just put on and you never see any oils. I do become oily throughout the day. One thing I noticed about this grip primer is that it allows my makeup to last longer than usual. This isn't an oil control primer, so you still need to blot, but I do like it, and I'm glad that I picked it up. Alright, the next primer is from Tarte. This is the Foundcealer, and it's the multitasking foundation. Let me bring it closer so that you can see what I'm talking about. And it looks like so. Now, I wanted to try the Shape Tape concealer, but somehow, some way I ended up getting this as a sample. And I went home and I really did like how the foundation looked on my skin. And the shade that I picked up was in, let's see, Tan Deep Honey, and this is it. And you just twist the cap and the top raises up, and that's what I'm wearing on my face today. Hopefully I don't look too washed out, but yeah, this is how the foundation is looking. Let me come in closer so that you can see. And if you want to see a tutorial on this makeup, I will upload one for you, but I need y'all to thumbs up this video. All right, so far so good. I like it. It's a light to medium foundation. It is not a heavy full coverage foundation. It works for me. I don't like too much of a foundation. This is I want to say light to medium, and it has a SPF of 20 sunscreen. Guys, this has been on my list for the longest, but I caved in and picked it up. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and it was on my list, so I had to get it, and here it is right here. You guys seen this a lot, and I picked it up in Butterscotch, and it's just the best concealer ever. To me, this is more smooth under the eye. This is more smooth at blending it out than the one from Tarte. I really love this foundation, and just to know that you get all of this product, which is just awesome. And it's 15 milliliters, and I am loving how much of the product that you get in here. You can conceal, contour, you can highlight, you can also retouch, and it is a great coverage. It is, man, I really like this. And guess what, y'all? I ended up only getting 15% off, like I said, at the Sephora VIB, but today, I think if you check Too Faced website, because I saw this on Trendmood, they have 40%, either 40 or 50% off of the Too Faced products. So I ended up ordering another concealer and something else. You might want to go on Instagram and run over to Trendmood's Instagram page and check it out. I think the link is in her bio. I'm telling y'all, y'all might want to go cop this. Okay, you guys know I hauled this a while ago. This is called For Real. It's a Lust Gloss, and this is by McGrath. In the past, I swatched it on my lips. I think I wore it once, and I was like, it's not all that. But I noticed, giving it a second chance, I started to fall in love with it. And like I said, this is Faux Real, and I love the way it looks. I didn't buy it this time, but I just wanted to share with you all how pretty and glossy that is. And again, that is called Faux Real. Love it. So I ended up getting a newer one, and the one that I picked up is called Peach Perversion, and this is the packaging that it comes in, and this is the beauty right here. This is Peach Perversion, and I add some more to my lips. But it's super pretty, and I'll swatch it for you guys, and that is Peach Perversion. They are so nice on the lips. I truly like these. And I also picked up another one, and it's called Pale Fire Nectar. And this is Pale Fire Nectar. And that's Pale Fire Nectar. Really pretty also. And it leaves that shimmery look. Even after you ate, you'll still have that real pretty shimmer look to your lips. Moving on, this was in my cart. This is Juliette Has a Gun, not a perfume. This is the purse size. I didn't want to get the bigger size because I knew I had other things that I needed to buy, and I just can't spend all my money in Sephora. So I got the smaller size, and this is Juliette Has a Gun, and this is the perfume. And you guys need to go to Sephora and get a sample. This smells absolutely good. Absolutely good. It smells really nice, clean, and fresh, and that's all I can say. And then I picked up a SmashBox lid primer, and this is the PhotoFinish lid primer in medium. I love this stuff. Now, I tried to go, I want to say a week or two without using a primer. This is the primer right here. I tried to go like a week or two without using a primer because I had ran out. And I tried to do the concealer thing. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, some of y'all can get away with it, but me, I cannot get away with using just concealer on my lid. I'm telling y'all, I am a greasy mess, so I need to use whatever I can that's matte to help me not have greasy lids at the end of the day. I'm like all greasy in my T-zone, my lids. I just didn't like it at all. And my eyeshadow, unfortunately, it disappeared. Now, some of you all can get away with it. Y'all know how to do y'all makeup to make it last, but me, I'm like walking through them halls at work. I'm telling y'all, I couldn't do it. So I need something that'll last, and that primer right there is the business. So you guys need to check that out. And the last item that I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale is another perfume, and this is from Kilan, and it says, "I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess." And this is it right here. I haven't opened it just yet, but I'm telling you guys, those two fragrances are like bomb. They are bomb. Thank me later. They are bomb, in my opinion. So those are the two that I'll carry in my purse, and I just got one sample, and she recommended the Too Faced Peach Perfect Caramelized, like, what is that, the powder. Yeah, the powder. So that will complete my Sephora VIB sale. I didn't get much, like a lot of you all probably went and got the skincare and all of that stuff. Y'all, I'm trying to get my face back to how it was. It broke out a lot. I don't know if it was from the L'Oreal or I don't know if it was from the L'Oreal or the Maybelline. Somehow, some way, one of the two broke me out, and I started getting like real little small fine bumps everywhere. So I'm trying to figure out, pinpoint which one gave me, you know, that little breakout. So in the meantime, between time, you guys, I hope you all watch my next video. I'm going to do a haul from Ulta NYX. I have so much in store for y'all, so just keep watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then,